Hi there, this is Paige, who is Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Excuse me. In this video, I'm sharing with you the cards I made for the monthly card collab. This is hosted by Kim, who is Metalscrappinchick, and Katie, who is Crafty Crabb. And every month on the third Sunday, is it? We post our cards. There is a theme each month, and a theme for this month is friendship. I made 3 cards this month, and they all came from this stamp set called Daisy Delight. No, is that the one? No, not that one. Sorry. Daisy Lane. And then I use the coordinating punch for the smaller flower. I also use this little leaf punch from Stampin' Up. I believe that's retired. Probably shouldn't say that. I'm not a demonstrator, so I don't know for sure. But anyway, that stamp set. I used this embossing folder from Doris. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. And this one, Pinewood Planks from Stampin' Up, and I put mine in this orientation. So let me show you the cards that I made. This is the only one that actually says friend on it, although for the other two, I certainly could stamp friend somewhere on the inside with a sentiment. But white card base, here's the Pinewood Planks layer. I stamped and punched out several of the daisies and then layered 2 of them together per flower. Put red enamel dots in the center. This one is popped up, and this is where I used the leaf punch and just tuck those among the flowers. Then a couple of punches from Stampin' Up, an oval punch and a scalloped oval punch. The white layer is popped up. This is some ribbon or trim from Stampin' Up, and then a little heart gem from Dollar Tree. And then just some more flowers on the inside. This is 2 flowers put together offset. I kept with the same color combination for the next 2 cards. Here I just stamped the flowers in real red rather than Night of Navy. I die cut a square stitched frame and then a smaller stitched square, and this was cut from textured paper. Again, the enamel dots in the centers of the flowers. This square is popped up and then accented with some more enamel dots, and then another layered flower on the inside. And my third card, here I stamped and layered the flowers after being punched out. This is one of those textured gems. Some companies call them goosebumps, some call them something else. This stem is from the stamp set. This stamp right there. And then I just accented with some enamel dots. This was some miscellaneous paper I had in my stash. This is where I used that Doris embossing folder. And then for the inside, just repeated the colors and layers and another layered flower. I love red, white, and blue. So since it was close to 4th of July, I decided to make my friendship cards with that color combination. I hope you like what you see. Down below will be a link to all the participants in this collaboration, so please check them out to get some inspiring ideas for your crafting. And now I'm off to create.